Oh, hold on, wait, then I gotta get this. I gotta get this if you're gonna do me. Hold on, Brittany. You're the only one that I want to see.
You tell me when you're ready, okay?
Hold on. All right.
Yeah.
1, 2, go.
And I said, you know what, bitch? You know what, bitch? I birthed the motherfucker. I birthed him. And you know what? You know what? He just sat there. Just took it. Because that man is a bitch. That's what I'm saying. Fuck that shit. Fuck that motherfucking shit.
And compare it with the white Britney version of the exact same thing.
No, I can't do it. Right off the top.
That was.
And I said, I birthed the motherfucker. And I told him, you know what, bitch? I said, you know what, bitch? I don't know. But he sat there and he took that shit. And that was the end. Anyway.